Presiden ke UDP Youth Wing ubalong ru Menteri ke Sarkar Jela uba Kyrmen Shela. Habakran ni gelat patai kubor hakalai terik unai luar hajar pusau. Ulang ba ke Sarkar Jela kelade bantung daki kenhun tokit alor ke jingshah kenok dan keti Menteri ke Sarkar MDA2 haki kam khaii drugs. La ban kedau hang ni ban kaliang Presiden ke Meghalaya Pradesh Congress Committee uba Vincent H Pala. Ula kenok bawa Sniawbhalang Dhar udan keti ban bay pisah na kebenta ki kam khaii drugs haka Jela. Ubak Kyrmen Shela ulong ba unu dekat ni ubriau melak menckenok yeno ru klem nongrim. Lakat taru habami kene kejing kenok persya ya Menteri ke Sarkar MDA2. Kala aban long bagi don iki sakhi ki babiang ban pensisha. Namar hang ne kamdai bagi kenok halor udau yong ne kakiat. Henry halor drugs uba amdan bakwa pun so thiat ha Jela. Ubak Kyrmen Shela ulong syo bom dan jingtep manu badai bat manu balaj. Henry uong baka anhi kan sale ke badan kam balada kene kejing kenok kam long ke basisha. Ubah syak keno udai ben ujor persyak ya utau bekeno yu uklem nongrim. Ubah Kyrmen Shela ula pentip bro banakaliang kisamla ke balang Presbyterian Rembai syan ken sepenlong ya ke program pensuto padba ban ai jingshah halor ke jing sniu drugs da ke bakdauru bakum kini ki program pensuto padba dai ban penlong haman lagi snong kenang ban la ban tela kam yu drugs ha ke Jela.
Yeah, actually, when it comes to drugs, such allegation against to any honorable member, either in the opposition or in the ruling, I feel this is really is not correct. But still, I believe those people who give this who say all these things that against any honorable member or even a public, I believe they have a proof. Otherwise, such things we sometimes we do feel is just like a joke talking in the market that he's dealing drugs without any proof. That is something until unless you have any proof against anybody. Drug is something. You talk about coal, you talk about liquor, you talk about anything. Sometimes we do have that feelings. But drug is something like, which is we can't even think it in our dreams that I will say something against somebody who's not even taking drugs. That is completely a false. Whether it's a false or correct allegation, I don't know it. But I believe that those honorable member or even the public, they have full proof against the deputy CM, which we have seen directly. We can say Sniawbhalang Dhar, the allegation against him. But still, I don't know who's right, who's wrong. But I believe justice will be given to the public. And if he is really involved, then he should be thrown away from not only from the cabinet. I believe that even the state as a whole also, he has no rights, because we believe that drugs should not be entertained in our state. I believe that what he says is correct. According to him, what he says is correct. Otherwise, if it is false allegation, then I believe even the court should take action against those people. The court should not be just waiting for somebody to give any false allegation on somebody and then take action without proper proof. So here I believe that whichever the court will give justice to those either the culprit, he has to get it.